Hello. I'm eating. Excuse the chewing. So, almost there. 1 second. Hello! Oh, wait, there's some on my teeth. For the 15th time. This is an RX-7 vlog. If you watch this, you're gonna see a lot of crying, screaming, and blood, and you know. Anyway, that's beautiful. That's the crying. The crying is like looking at that. I mean, let's be real here. It's hot. Everyone's commenting on Instagram pictures like, oh, how innocent with the baby blue and everything. I'm like, no, it's not. It's not baby blue. It's Tiffany. And my girlfriend will keep telling me that it's not Tiffany, but I don't care. To me, it's Tiffany. Her name is Tiffany. It is Tiffany. The end. Okay, so I don't have very much time today, but I'm pretty much just going to try to, as quickly as possible, get some work done, because I haven't got any work done on it. It's been about a week, and I really just haven't had time, or, I mean, I've had motivation for sure, but I'm, you know, taking a break, just taking a little break, so, yeah, I'm gonna do some stuff, so let's do some stuff. See, I told you, once paint was done, you get to see me assemble the headlights. I know it's kind of far-fetched, and it's a little bit weird, but it's exciting. You know it's exciting. Put one headlight together over there. I'm not gonna put it on myself because I had Griffin help me with the last one and it like went on perfectly. But with one person I think it'd be a little too sketchy with fresh paint and everything. Try to degrease my engine. Not that it's really greasy, but I just want to clean it up a bit. So we're gonna try to do that. So engine's degreased. I'm gonna repaint a little bit of it. What do you think? Blingers or the ambit wheels? I think I like the ambits more. I think they look better. Plus the other ones are like chipping and it's gross. Okay, so I just karate kicked a beetle. Like literally he was flying at me and I just went like, ah! And I kicked him into my tire. Anyway, so the one thing that rotaries are very well known for are catching on fire. To help with that problem, we have a handy little fire extinguisher that mounts to your cage. It's pretty cool. It's on rubber mounts, so it actually doesn't move like at all. Okay, like if you want it to move, it will move, but whatever. So I mounted that. I got these in, which these are hub-centric rings for my wheels to my hubs. These guys are really nice actually. I didn't expect them to be this nice, but they're like solid aluminum. Very, very nice. So they won't shatter on me, which is cool. I got one of the, like the lower radiator support bar in, so it's gonna be that guy. That one. So radiator can get mocked up when the engine gets in. And I'm gonna do some different stuff with my intercooler piping. I don't quite know what yet. But it's definitely gonna have to be different because I don't want to drill holes in my tubs. I might have to, I don't know yet. And then I pulled my engine in tonight. I didn't really get any more progress done on it. but it's kind of disassembled, I guess. Took off a bunch of pieces on it. I'll be able to repaint like this whole area and everything. And I'm gonna paint the trans as well, and probably the driveline, just to make it all look nice and clean.
So these are the LRB door cards with manual windows. They're just one aluminum sheet that's bent up and really nice for the doors. I really like these. So what you do is you take the old window seal off of your old door card, and it's literally just these little tabs that go in there.
Okay, so that's probably all the filming I'm gonna do for tonight. Super tired. I say that every night. I'm always tired. I'm just a very tired person. Oh wow, that looks so good. Okay, so check it out. So, little handle, it's not on all the way, fire extinguisher. That will be painted black. And then I got my handle to go in there still too, so.
Look at that. That worked out pretty well. It shows that it's LRB right there too. That's sweet.
Starting to look like an actual car. I have window, well, a window. We have one window in. Other than that, I'm just gonna do some regular stuff, you know. Same stuff I've been doing, throwing in the windows and everything, and it's coming together. So, yeah. That's an RX-7. You can just look at that. Okay, bye.